Pull-ups are a popular and highly effective exercise that involves lifting your body weight using your upper body muscles. It is a compound exercise that primarily targets the back, shoulders, and arms. Pull-ups can be performed using a pull-up bar or other sturdy overhead structure. By incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine, you can experience a wide range of benefits for your overall fitness and strength. Increased upper body strength. Pull-ups primarily target your upper body muscles, including the back, shoulders, and arms. Regularly doing pull-ups can significantly increase your upper body strength over time. Improved grip strength. Pull-ups require a strong grip to support your body weight. By performing them daily, you'll notice an improvement in your grip strength, which can be beneficial for various activities and sports. Enhanced muscular endurance. Consistently doing pull-ups challenges your muscles to work for an extended period, leading to improved muscular endurance. This can benefit you in various physical activities and sports that require sustained strength. Better posture. Pull-ups engage your back muscles, specifically the muscles in your upper back and shoulders. Strengthening these muscles can help improve your posture by countering the effects of slouching or sitting for long periods. Increased back and shoulder muscle definition. Pull-ups target the muscles in your back and shoulders, helping to build and define these areas. With regular practice, you can develop a well-toned and defined upper body. Core muscle engagement. Pull-ups engage your core muscles to stabilize your body during the movement. By incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine, you'll strengthen your core muscles, contributing to improved stability and overall core strength. Functional strength gains. Pull-ups are a compound exercise that mimics real-life movements, such as climbing or lifting objects. Daily pull-ups can enhance your functional strength, making everyday tasks easier to perform. Increased cardiovascular fitness. Performing pull-ups at a high intensity can elevate your heart rate, providing a cardiovascular workout. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can improve your cardiovascular fitness over time. Convenient and time-efficient. Pull-ups can be performed with minimal equipment and in various locations, such as at home, in a park, or at the gym. They require no additional setup and can be a time-efficient way to work multiple muscle groups. Improved mental resilience. Consistently challenging yourself with pull-ups and witnessing your progress can boost your mental resilience and self-confidence. Overcoming physical obstacles can translate into a positive mindset and greater motivation in other areas of your life. Pull-ups are a highly effective exercise that can provide a multitude of benefits for your overall fitness and strength. By incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine, you can experience increased upper body strength, improved grip strength, enhanced muscular endurance, better posture, and increased muscle definition in your back and shoulders. Additionally, pull-ups engage your core muscles, contribute to functional strength gains, and even offer cardiovascular fitness benefits. Their convenience and time efficiency make pull-ups a versatile exercise that can be performed with minimal equipment in various locations. It's important to approach pull-ups with proper form. Listen to your body, and gradually progress to avoid injury. Consulting with a fitness professional or trainer can provide guidance and help you design a personalized pull-up routine tailored to your specific needs and goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, insights, and inspiration on how to live your best, most vibrant life. Together, let's continue running towards a healthier, happier future. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and we'll see you in the next video.